Hey guys, it's Miss Irving here again. Your first lesson for the day is, if you haven't already, I want you to get outside today. If it's a sunny day out, it's super important that you go outside because the sun is actually a really important thing to keep us healthy and happy throughout the day. So, right now or later on, make sure you get outside and enjoy some of that sun. For today, our WeDo lesson is this spy robot right here. So, my spy robot is named Frida. I've named her Frida. And she is very observant. Her job is to keep a careful eye and to sense if something is coming. And if she senses something comes in front of her, then she will let out an alarm. So let's see her in action. Okay, so we have Frida, and I'm going to push play on her programming. And we have our little Harry Potter spider here. He is not a welcome guest, so let's see what happens. Huh. So Frida here, I'll push play again so you can see what happened. Frida sensed that something was in front of her. Let's figure out how that works. So this thing right here is our sensor, and it is a motion sensor. So its job is to wait for things to pass in front of it. So we have put that on Frida, and then, popped her eye off. We've put some coding together so that it actually works. So let's take a look at this coding here. Now, this time block is basically saying that the robot is waiting for something. And this little orange block on the bottom is our motion sensor. And this kind of arrow means it's waiting for something to pass in front of it. So what's going to happen if something passes in front of it? Well, that is what this block here is for, this red one. And as you can probably guess, it's a music note, so that means it's probably playing something. So it actually has different soundtracks that it's playing. So let's read it like a sentence. When I press play, Frida, our robot here, is going to wait until something passes in front of her sensor, and when something does, a noise is going to play. So let's try changing it to, let's go to number 8 and see what happens. So we have Frida and Mr. Spider. It's another alarm. So there are a ton of different sounds that you can program it with, but that is how you use your motion sensor. And you can also program it to do other things when it senses motion in front of it. So that is all for today. What I want you guys to do at home is to build or draw yourself as a super spy, but then make sure to give yourself a sensor. So it could be like something you're holding, or it could be like something in your super suit that is sensing things in front of you, so that even if you miss seeing something, the sensor sees it. I'll see you next time.